In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drip school course lessons by scheduling your content effectively. This is a great tool for those of you who want to keep your audience engaged without overwhelming them with too much information all at once. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Skool and hit enter. Now, from the list of results, go ahead and click on the first one you see. This should bring you to the Skool homepage. Once you're on the Skool site, the next thing you'll need to do is log in. Use your credentials to access your account and make sure everything is set up correctly there. If you've forgotten your password, there's typically an option to recover it, so don't worry about that. Now that you're logged in, move your eyes to the upper left corner where you'll see two arrows. This is your gateway to accessing different communities on Skool. Click on these arrows to open up your menu. In this menu, you'll see a list of communities that you are a part of. Locate the specific community where your course is housed. Click on that community to get into its main dashboard. Within this community, look for the Classroom tab. It's usually pretty prominent and easy to find. Click on it and you'll be transported to a space that holds all your courses. Once in the Classroom section, you'll see a list of courses. Find the course in which you want to schedule your lessons and click on it. This will open up all the lessons tied to that particular course. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find three vertical dots which usually signify additional options. Click on these dots. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for an option that reads Drip Status Off. Click on this option. This action will allow you to turn on the drip feature for your course. After selecting that, you'll notice there's an option to turn on the drip. Make sure to turn it on if you want to start scheduling your content over a spread out time frame. With the drip feature now active, the system will prompt you to enter a number of days. This is the key step where you decide the interval at which your lessons are unlocked for your audience. Input the number of days you deem suitable for your course delivery strategy. Finally, after setting the days, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or side of the modal or page you're working on. Click Save to confirm your drip settings, and there you have it, a simple and effective way to drip your school course lessons, keeping your learners engaged at a manageable pace. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.